You can easily adjust the second row seat back with these handles. This one moves the seat backs for both the left and center seats, while the handle on the right side moves the right seat back only. Pull and hold the handle to move the seat back to the desired position, or pull briefly to fold flat to maximize cargo space. You can also fold the second row seats by pulling the corresponding switch located on the left side of the rear trunk area. The middle seat has a button that allows its seat back to be folded independently from the outboard seats, allowing Model Y to carry long cargo with 4 passengers seated comfortably. Your Model Y has plenty of storage space in the trunk thanks to the lack of a fuel tank or exhaust system. It has deep pockets on both sides of the trunk and additional storage under the load floor. If you have a 5-seater, you have an extra storage area under this load floor. Both load floors can stand upright in place. To learn even more about your seats, check out the on-screen owner's manual.